Welcome to part 5 of our reaction to Bryan Johnson's evening routine. This segment takes us deeper into some critical health discussions, from sleep and testosterone risks to prioritizing vitality in our lives. Let's get to it. Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD.
I'll take these 3 pills. I'm trying to improve my ferritin levels right now, so I'll take these 3 pills, water from here. I'll start my HRV therapy with this device. I'll turn this light on, and I will get a few minutes of exposure. It mimics sunlight. So again, the goal is to not think about anything ever.
UV light that mimics the sunlight? I'm not sure about this. Exposure to natural or artificial sunlight is definitely not recommended if you want to have a restful sleep, as this will suppress the production of melatonin.
I've got my testosterone patch on. This is 2 milligrams. This is to offset my 20% caloric restriction. I only eat 2,000 calories a day, which is less than the recommended daily allowance for my body, activity level, and age. And so to offset my testosterone, to keep it at the normal level, 2 milligrams a day.
I have to tell you this. No one should take testosterone supplementation without the direction of their physician. First of all, it's a controlled substance, and obtaining it without a prescription can lead to legal consequences. Testosterone is also one of those medications that have a lot of side effects, and this includes an increased risk of heart attacks, strokes, and blood clots. It can also lead to hair loss, shrinking of your testicles, and reduced sperm count, leading to infertility.
I imagined trying to utilize everything I'm good at in life and building a really valuable technology product. In the case of my former company, it was Braintree Venmo, building software for payments. And it was easy for me to lose myself in that relationship where I wanted the product to be perfect and thrill our customers, but I was willing to basically give everything I had to build that technology. But doing that, it came at a cost where I didn't sleep very well, I was stressed out. I was basically eagerly willing to sacrifice everything about my personal health in order to build a great technology product.
I agree with Mr. Johnson on this one. We should consider health as our priority. How far along we go in life, the amount of success we achieve, the way we serve others, practice our faith, and ultimately our own happiness depend on how we integrate health and vitality to our lives. And that ends part 5 of my reaction. Bryan Johnson's approach continues to spark valuable discussions about prioritizing health and vitality. Don't miss the next segment where we'll explore even more of his unique methods for longevity. See you next time.